get ready for comedy.
Freeze, gumball.
Because the feds are coming into your home.
I hope the people of the United States of America will be able to sleep better knowing that women like us have guns.
Feds, now in video stores.
He thinks she should do the vacuuming. She thinks he should do the vacuuming. But Hoover thinks the vacuum should do the vacuuming. Presenting self-propelled cleaning. The Hoover Concept 1 cleaner. Hoover invented it.
You've been searching for it all your life. Something rich that doesn't have a billion calories. Something sweet and non-fat with no added sugar. Introducing new Yoplait Light. Fresh, creamy yogurt and real fruit, lusciously blended with just a touch of NutraSweet and only 90 little calories. New Yoplait Light. The light at the end of the tunnel.
Per montagne e per valloni, con le nevi pesciolioni, al concerto di tromboni, di bombarde e di cannoni, che le palle in tutti i tuoni, all'orecchio fan fischiare. Non ti avrai quei pennacchini, non ti avrai quel cappello, non ti avrai alla gloria militare.
Nobody's better in cold than all-temperature cheer.
Last week, us Fritos rustlers came upon a whole new breed. Ranch Fritos. They looked real wild, but they was actually sort of mild. Shoot, one even let Luke pet it. These wild and mild ranch Fritos have a creamy ranch flavor. No Fritos rustler can resist. But keep that under your hat, partner. New wild and mild ranch flavor Fritos corn chips. Rustle up some.